Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to put guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys Wi-Fi full setting, how to set up Wi-Fi on lava mobile. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting on lava mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use Wi-Fi setting on lava mobile. Friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. Friends, click on Wi-Fi setting and Wi-Fi setting is off. So friends, first of all on your lava phone Wi-Fi. After on friends, Wi-Fi, refresh your Wi-Fi network setting. Available network, friends, you can check your Wi-Fi network here. And friends, you want to add any network, so friends click here, add network, enter password, you can pair any Wi-Fi network. So friends, I have this Wi-Fi network Mukesh Wi-Fi. I will enter this Wi-Fi password. After enter password friends, you can check your Wi-Fi password, connect option. After 4 and 5 seconds friends, Wi-Fi network will connect with your lava mobile, and friends easily you can use it. As you can see, connected. After connect friends, you want to use YouTube app, you can on YouTube app and you can use on your lava mobile. Friends, you want to use Instagram app, you want to use, so you can use after connect Wi-Fi network. So like that friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use your YouTube app, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook app. And friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, again click on Wi-Fi setting. Which network friends you have connected, right side click here. Friends, you can see disconnect option. Friends, if you disconnect this Wi-Fi network, so Wi-Fi network will disconnect. Friends, you can see, and Wi-Fi network is saved. And friends, you can check your saved network. Friends, again click here, and friends, you can connect again this Wi-Fi with your lava mobile. And friends, you can use share option. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi network one phone to any another phone device, you can share easily from here. And friends, if you click forget option, so friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will forget. And friends, we don't have any safe network on device. Friends, you can see safe network will remove from here because we have forget this Wi-Fi network. And friends, you want to join any Wi-Fi network with QR code, so when scan this QR code and you can join any Wi-Fi network with QR code. And friends, Wi-Fi data uses you want to check on your lava mobile. Friends, you can check your lava mobile Wi-Fi data uses from here, and you can change friends date also guys, like 29 January, 25 Feb. I can check my Wi-Fi data uses. Last friends, recently I can use 26 Feb to 26 March guys. Today date we can check Wi-Fi data uses. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi full setting, and guys now we will have Wi-Fi. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi, we can set up Wi-Fi on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Before going guys, please comment, like the video and subscribe the channel.